What really matters for today? This is Rodney Livingston. In Philippians 4, the Bible says, do not worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank Him for what He has done. Then you will experience God's peace, which exceeds anything that we can understand. What kind of peace is Paul talking about? He is not talking about the absence of conflict, since conflict will unfortunately forever be a part of our lives. Paul is talking about a lack of anxiety in the face of conflict. How then can we possibly have anxiety when such a powerful, loving God is in charge? And what does it mean when we just can't stop worrying about how things are going to turn out? Do whatever you need to do in order to make things right. And then you can come before God with the right heart. Truly ask Him to take control and implore of God to relieve your anxiety today. His amazing peace will follow you. And that's what really matters for today in that minute from the Leoma Church of Christ.